Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl B from Be About Town, and today I am back to share with you all a handbag I just recently added to my handbag collection. Now, I'm not going to go on and on and on right now. We're just going to get down to business because, you know, I don't believe in wasting anyone's time. Yes, Mr. McQueen. So we're just going to get down to business, as I've already stated, because we don't have time to waste. So the bag is from Cettire. It's by Alexander McQueen. This is probably my 5th or 6th purchase from Cettire. I'm really loving their website and loving the price points because they seem to always have a sale going on and prices that are a little below market price. So anyway, we're just gonna get down. Let me just like toss this over here on the table. This is the dust bag. If you've been here before, I did a Alexander McQueen handbag unboxing months ago. In fact, I think it was like around last either February or March. And so we love McQueen over here. Anyhow, we're going to get down to it because, you know, I don't really do all the like, you know, dust bag and all that. But I will say that this is a really nice quality dust bag, which is important, right? I mean, presentation is important. Bag came nicely wrapped up. Very simple handbag. I needed a nice like matte black hardware bag. I went back and forth with whether or not to get this bag versus this quilted Alexander McQueen handbag. Like everything is just falling down to the floor. Let me see if I can get this stuff up off the floor. All of this is, you know, just stuff that comes in the bag. Typical things that come in handbags. This is the handbag. Cettire does put this on their items. A lot of the times, like if you remove it, you won't be able to return it. So that's why that is there. This is what the bag looks like. Has the skull head, that is signature to all Alexander McQueen handbags. Let me show you the back. It just has imprinted Alexander McQueen. And although this is like a black, I did say matte black. It's not matte black, the hardware. It's like a shiny black that I really like because it's still dressy. But even though matte black can be very dressy also, I like that the hardware is black because that means I can style it with gold or silver. I've stated before, I really don't like mixing metals too much. I will if the outfit allows for it, like without looking tacky. The inside of the bag is a micro suede inside. There's a little pocket back there, but other than that, it's an open space. Obviously, this is a cross-body bag, but if I wanted to, I could easily do it like a clutch. You know, all that would take is just me simply putting the chain inside the bag, and I would just carry it like so, which very nice, very nice. This is what it's looking like. Let me get some items so we can do a quick what fits, and then I'll just style it briefly so you can see where it falls. Okay, so I was carrying my walnut bag almost all week because it's just a convenient bag. This is a convenient everyday bag. I swear I love this bag, but it's like a convenient everyday bag. One of the better bags I've added to my collection. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm really downsizing as of lately. I've been getting rid of handbags. I just want to minimize the amount of bags I have, and I don't own a ton of bags, but I'm just over it. I just want, literally, I don't want to own more than 12 handbags. A tote, maybe 2 totes, a travel bag, crossbody, clutch. Like I really want 12 bags, maybe 15 tops. That's it. Anyway, so I'm throwing in my Alexander McQueen card case. My Metro card is kind of sticking up. My key fob. My air frauds. Pack of tissue that I got from City MD when I went. This is your girl. The fuck. Still is coughing and hacking. Some lotion. I thought I put in some lipstick, didn't I? Let's see. Let's make sure I did. I think I did. I think at the bottom here. Yep, I added actually 2 lipsticks to the bottom. Actually, this is not. Is this a lipstick? Oh yeah, this is. Phone case. But I'm the person with their card case stuffed to capacity, like far past capacity. Everything fits, but I did have to remove one of the lipsticks. So I put my phone case in, or one of the phone cases I had laying around, just so you could get a better view of it. It does feel like it's stuffed, but you know, the bag will live. But yeah, I would be able to fit everything in there. Let's do cross body. It feels very malleable, even though it doesn't look that way. And the bag falls right about here on me. Let me see if I can give you a better glimpse. So this is what the bag is looking like on me. I think it actually looks cute with what I have on, child. And just really briefly, I have on this nice sweater dress. These are the arms, but I kind of like that the arms are kind of like not bat wing, but almost like bat wing. I got this dress from Mingo Outlet, I'm sure, because I always do Mingo Outlet. I do Mango sometimes, but mostly Mingo Outlet. The belt is from Etsy, and I just have on some flats, and I don't have time to situate the camera so you can see my feet. Just take my word for it. They are those Valentino dupe, Rockstar dupes that I have from Nine West, and I just want to show you that this bag looks awfully cute with this outfit, I must say. I mean, like, this is something I would be able to wear to work with some nice boots on. Girl, right? I like it. Thank you all for joining me. Please remember to like, share, and consider subscribing. I appreciate everybody as always. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let me know what you think about the bag down in the comments below. Say hi, say I don't like it, say I like it, say whatever. I don't care. Just comment down below. Let me know you stopped by. And until next time, as always, take great care.